Hi, I'm in the middle of the Scania R620 build, and I've just been working on the fifth wheel. I have it set up at the minute and I'm just testing it, so I thought I'd make a quick video just to show you how I done it, and just kind of run you through how simple it is. First of all, if you watch in here for the little catch in the fifth wheel, there it is, you see. I should say that this, what I'm doing here, I'm using this Arduino with the it's the servo controlled by the knob program. It's one of the generic programs that comes with the Arduino IDE. So if you download the IDE for the Arduino, you should be able to very quickly download it to your Arduino and be able to test your servos in this fashion. So that's very simple. Okay, so we have this bar that comes from the latch here, that goes over to here, which used to house this little device here, which is just a little lever for you to manually open and close the fifth wheel. It's very simple. So what I done was remove that, obviously, and then under this panel here you take out these two screws. Oh, I've one of them out. Okay, so there's two screws there, one there and one there. So in here I have a very small servo. It is from Hobby King. It's a HK 5320. It's quite a small servo. The servos I usually use for the steering in the tractors are that big, so there's comparisons, it's much smaller. But this servo doesn't have a huge amount of torque, so it would be no good for steering. There's no way that steer the wheels on a lorry or the tractor. Just wouldn't be able to do it. So all I done was got this little sheet of plastic here. See, I just cut a hole for the servo and two holes for the screws, mounted it in there, and so far I've just sat it into position there, and it's held in both directions here by the body of the lorry. So I just cut it to fit in this rectangular space here, and once I put this cover back on, it's held from the right hand side here as well, so that servo can't move now. So it's a very simple modification just to add this fifth wheel movement. There's no huge, obviously it's moving now because I don't have the cover on it, but when I put the cover on, that holds it in place. So now when I move the servo doesn't move inside its housing here. So as far as I can see, that's the simplest solution. I closed it on the trailer earlier and tried to pull the trailer off, and the servo held the latch pretty well, so it didn't release the trailer. So hopefully that'll work out as a good design for that, but ultimately we won't know until we actually test the lorry with its own drive motor pulling a load on the trailer. Then we'll see if the motor is up to the job or not, and if so, we'll just have to come back and change it out with a different servo. It's not a big deal. Okay, so that's all I wanted to update on. Thanks for watching.